November 21st, 2020. Reflection for the day. The theme of today's reflection is waiting in expectation. Waiting patiently for God includes joyful expectation. Without expectation, our waiting can get bogged down in the present. When we wait in expectation, our whole beings are open to be surprised by joy. All through the Gospels, Jesus tells us to keep awake and stay alert. And Paul says, brothers and sisters, the moment is here for you to stop sleeping and wake up. Because by now our salvation is nearer than when we first began to believe. The night is nearly over, daylight is on the way. So let us throw off everything that belongs to the darkness and equip ourselves for the light. It is this joyful expectation of God's coming that offers vitality to our lives. The expectation of the fulfillment of God's promises to us is what allows us to pay full attention to the road on which we are walking. Thank you and God bless you.